Okay, the first question. Listen to the question very carefully. When is World AIDS Day observed? Yeah. Yes. Somebody please give him the mic.
1st December.
Yeah, absolutely right. Very good. Okay. Okay. Okay, fine. Okay. Okay. Moving to the second question. Who is the current president of WHO? Who is the current president of WHO? No answers? Okay. The right answer is Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus. Okay. Moving to the next question. What is the theme of World Health Day? Listen to me carefully. 2024. Yes. Arishta.
My health, my right.
Yes, absolutely correct. Can we have a round of applause for her? Question number 4. What is the main goal of WHO? The main goal or objective of WHO? Just give a try. Yes. Yes?
Sustainable development.
Close, but not exactly. It is actually to promote health and well-being. Okay, the next question. Which disease was eradicated worldwide due to vaccination efforts? He. Okay.
Smallpox.
Yes, very good. His tweet, please. What is the full form of NCD in healthcare? NCD in healthcare. Give it a try. It's very easy. Just try to relate. Yes. No, wait. He's answering.
Non-communicable diseases.
Absolutely right. Very good. Which country hosts the headquarters of WHO? Yeah.
Switzerland.
The name of the place? Geneva. Anyways, right answer. Very good. Now, what is the most common disease that is affecting the world right now? What is a mental health disorder which is affecting worldwide? The most prevalent form of mental health disease worldwide. Why are you answering? Yeah. Yeah, depression. Right answer. No, you have to raise your hands and then you have to answer. Okay. What is the full form of HPV? Who? Yeah, ma'am?
Human papilloma virus.
In the mic.
Human papilloma virus.
Yeah, absolutely correct. Okay. Expecting many hands this time. What is the full form of NABH? Who? Yeah. Okay.
National Accreditation Board for Hospital and Healthcare.
Full. Yes, right. But again say. Say again.
National Accreditation Board of Healthcare and Hospital Management.
No. Who? Yeah. Who else? Who wanted to answer? Yeah. No. 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 Who else? Yes, yes, please. Wait. Wait.
National Accreditation for Health Hospital.
No.
Board for Hospital.
Who's next? Yeah, please. Stay calm. Try answer. Take.
National Accreditation Board of Hospitals
No.
and Health Sciences.
No.
National Accreditation for Hospital.
I give it to Gargi ma'am. Gargi ma'am will tell this very nicely. Okay. The full form of NABH is National Accreditation Board for Hospital and Healthcare Providers. You have to say that. Means the last part, this thing. But you have to tell it properly, right? Okay. This is an easy one. What is the full form of OTC in medical terms? OTC. Very commonly, we Bengalis have a habit of doing this. OTC. This is a very big hint. No. OTC. Anyone? OTC. OTC? No? It's over the counter. Without prescription drugs, we buy, right? That one. Okay. Listen to the question. What is the primary purpose of hospital information system? Means the function or the importance of hospital information system. Anyone? Harisha?
The primary purpose of hospital information system to store the patient's data, reports.
Store and manage patient's data and records. Very good. Round of applause for her and chocolate. What does the term triage mean in emergency care? Triage. Huh? Nice. Yeah.
Ma'am, segregation. Like when when there is an accident, like what type, like the emergency patient or those who are less injured, just segregate the process of segregation.
Correct answer, but let me just explain. The process of segregating the patients who come in a bulk according to the severity of their disease is exactly known as triage. Very good. Which act regulates the ethical practices of hospitals in India? Which is that act which regulates the hospitals all over India? MBA? Yes, try.
West Bengal Clinical Establishment Act.
Very good. Right answer. Chocolate. Okay. Easy question. What vitamin do we get from the sun? Who raised the hand? He.
Vitamin D.
Very good. Next question. Which organ pumps blood throughout the body? The first row. Okay.
The heart.
Yes. Right answer. Which organ helps to filter blood in the body? No, I am not seeing that. That's somebody else. This, Shampriti.
Kidney.
Yes, absolutely right. Clap at least. Let it be nice and vibrant. What? Now, this is another easy question. What is the best way to prevent the spread of germs? Okay. Yes, tell.
To sanitize.
No. Which one? Okay, blue. White, okay.
Hand washing.
Yes, absolutely correct. Okay, questions. What is the normal body temperature? Disqualified. Before the question. What is the normal body temperature in Celsius? Who? You have to tell. Say. Who will say?
37.4 degrees C.
Who? What? Yeah, right, correct. What is the primary function of hemoglobin in blood? Who? Okay.
To provide oxygen to
It's
heart.
to transport oxygen,
Oxygen.
to the different organs.
Carbon
Okay.
dioxide.
Yeah, right answer. Which vitamin is essential for blood clotting? I think green, yeah.
Vitamin K.
Yes, absolutely right. Name one risk factor for heart disease. Okay.
Obesity.
Yeah, right. Obesity. Yes. But yeah, smoking also. But, okay. When we say someone has got conjunctivitis, which part is affected?
green color kurta.
Green. Okay. Because I'm doing the questions, it's not easy for
The
me
eye.
to follow. Yes?
The eye.
Yes. Absolutely correct.
Aero collection.
Okay, now this question, I don't know how many of you know, but it's a difficult one. Which gas is used in anesthesia to make patients unconscious during surgery? Wait. The hands up before the question was not qualified. Yes, give it to the... Yeah. Yes.
CO2.
No, you didn't listen to the question. Yeah,
CO2.
please. Yes?
CO2.
No, wrong.
N2O, nitrous oxide.
Yes, absolutely correct. Okay, can I go to the next question? Yes. Which disease is caused by the deficiency of insulin in human body? Huh? Ma'am, white. Give it to the white. Okay.
T2DM, type 2 diabetes mellitus.
Yes, type 2 diabetes. Right. Okay, now I will ask some questions from maternal health and childcare, which is today's theme actually. Listen to the questions, okay? What is maternal mortality? Yeah, I think she. Yes. Yes, Shampriti.
Maternal mortality is the death of mother during after delivering the child.
During childbirth, yeah, right. Give her a round of applause, please. Okay, we all know that there are many causes of maternal mortality, right? So just give me 3 causes of maternal mortality. Green. Okay.
Excess bleeding during childbirth.
3. Yeah.
Various infections.
Okay.
Diabetes.
No.
Postpartum
No, that
hemorrhage
doesn't-
or bleeding after that infection, and at last placenta previa or any other trauma to the baby or
No,
mother during
no,
vaginal.
no.
during
He was
birth.
absolutely correct. The first 2. There's only one missing. Yes, you please try. Okay. I'll give it to you. You will also get a prize.
Labor
Yeah.
pain.
No. Labor pain doesn't kill a woman. Women are not so weak. Shampriti.
Hemorrhage, eclampsia.
Yes, eclampsia. That was the one missing. Right. Give to both of them. Yeah, correct. Give one to her and one to him. Yeah. Listen to the question. Okay, listen, otherwise you will miss it out. Which vitamin is crucial during pregnancy to prevent neural tube defects in the baby? It's very easy. Just try to... No. Who? Huh.
Iron, calcium. Iron, calcium.
No. Vitamin. Neural tube defects.
Vitamin A.
No. Vitamin E is responsible for sight. Yes, folic acid. Give it to him. Yeah, very good. Clap for him at least. Okay. How many visits are recommended in the entire pregnancy span, that is antenatal care, according to the guidelines? How many visits a pregnant woman must do? How many? Means the number of visits actually. Yeah, please.
4,
No.
3,
No, don't start making random guesses. Yeah, pink, who's? Huh? No. Nisa? Yeah.
Ma'am, total 5.
No. 8 visits actually. Okay. What is the test that is used to check gestational diabetes in pregnancy? Gestational diabetes during pregnancy is checked by a special test. What is that test? It is not normal fasting blood sugar or like that.
Glucose tolerance test.
Very good. GTT or glucose tolerance test. Please give him a big round of applause. This was a good question. Okay. Which hormone is responsible for milk production in breastfeeding? যারা বল সম্প্রীতি সম্প্রীতি বলছে ম্যামরা সম্প্রীতি বলছে
Prolactin.
ভেরি গুড সম্প্রীতি জমছে Which infection during pregnancy can cause congenital disabilities like blindness and deafness in baby? Which infection, if the mother catches, can lead the baby to have congenital problems?
UTI.
That's, no, not UTI at least. Yes, 10? No. It is rubella or German measles. What is the recommended exclusive breastfeeding guidelines given by the government? Yes.
6 months.
Yeah, very good. Give him a chocolate. I've just got few questions left. Which bacteria causes tuberculosis? Okay.
Ma'am,
Say?
Mycobacterium tuberculosis.
No. You have to tell it correctly. That is not the correct one. Yes, you have gone close, but that's not the right word.
Mycobacterium tuberculosis.
Yes, absolutely correct. Give the chocolate to him. Which mosquito spreads malaria? Yes.
Anopheles.
Anybody else? Okay, give it to him. Yeah, correct. Female Anopheles. Which hepatitis is contaminated by water?
Hepatitis B.
Wrong. Give it to him. Correct. Hepatitis A. Which vitamin deficiency causes rickets? I think he. Huh? Vitamin? Yes, correct. This is a very easy question. Be very vigilant about who raises the hands. Which deficiency causes anemia? Who? You. Listen to the question. Which particular deficiency causes anemia? Who is Amelia? Okay, I don't know. I'm so sorry. Yeah, absolutely correct. Which part of the brain controls breathing and heartbeat? Which part of the brain controls breathing and heartbeat? Okay.
Occipital.
No. No. Please don't answer like this. Raise your hand. She will give you the mic.
Medulla.
Medulla oblongata. Yes, correct answer. Okay. The last question. How many hours of sleep does a normal adult needs in a day? I don't know.
7 to 8 hours.
Okay, 7 to 8 hours. Okay. So thank you for your participation. With this, we conclude this year's health quiz. Thank you, volunteers and ma'am. Thank you. Please wait. Please wait. You all don't want to know who are the winners for the poster and this thing. Please hold on. I would like to request Gargi ma'am to please do the honors of actually announcing the results of the poster and slogan competition. Thank you, Proma ma'am, for judging the event. There was one more ma'am. Who was with you? Thank you, Madhurima ma'am also.
Now the poster and slogan competition, it really looks very tough. It means it was a very tough competition. And we have a couple of winners. It's not just 3 groups winning, it's more than 3 groups who have won. Okay? Now the first one is 3 groups have won the first prize. Okay? I'll call the names. Orishtha Pal, Naisa Khan, Shampriti Bhattacharya. This is the first group we have. The second group consists of Saad, Arzal, Shamragi Mukherjee, Onusri Nag. Okay, the third group is Ayushi Mukherjee, Onesha Mondol, Shomik Ghosh. Now the second position goes to Shubhrojit Rouge. Where's the third member? He's not coming. Okay. Now the third prize is again owned by 2 groups. The first one is Shukarna Mitro, Riya Ghosh, Afrin Misha. Are they here? No? Okay. Now the next third position is owned by Tahsin Chaudhary, Proga Majumdar. Tahsin Chaudhary, Proga Majumdar. Judges, please. Now, due to some problems, we are not here today with the certificates and the medals. The certificates and the medals will be given out to you very shortly in another function which we will be calling in a short period of time. Okay? So kindly bear with us. We do not have the medals and the certificates right at this point of time. Can we have the chocolates for them? Chocolate nahi? Acha. Now can we have a big round of applause for all the winners?